This video I will explain DynamoDB versus RDS for microservices. When building microservices, one small decision can affect your entire system performance. Choosing the wrong database can lead to system slowness, scaling problems, and complex maintenance. So the big question is, should you use DynamoDB or RDS? Let's understand this in the simplest way. What are microservices? Microservices means building an application as many small services instead of one big system. Each service does one specific job, each service runs independently, and each service usually has its own database. For example, user service manages users, order service manages orders, payment service manages payments. What is DynamoDB? DynamoDB is a NoSQL database. This means it does not require a fixed table structure. Data can be stored in a flexible format. Key features are very fast performance, automatic scaling, fully managed by AWS. It is ideal for applications with large traffic. What is RDS? RDS stands for Relational Database Service. It uses traditional databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. It stores data in a structured tables with relationships between the tables. Now we will see the key difference. The biggest difference is how data is stored and accessed. DynamoDB uses a flexible structure, RDS uses a fixed table structure. DynamoDB scales automatically, RDS needs planning. DynamoDB is very fast for simple queries, RDS is better for complex queries. In case of relationships, DynamoDB has limited support and RDS has strong support for relationships. Why DynamoDB works well for microservices? First point, high scalability. Scalability means the system can handle more users and more data without slowing down. DynamoDB automatically increases capacity when traffic grows. Second point, independent services. In microservices, each service can have its own DynamoDB table. For example, user service has a user table, order service has an order table. This keeps services independent and simple. Third point is very fast performance. DynamoDB provides a millisecond level response time. This means data is retrieved almost instantly. This is important for applications with millions of users. Why RDS works well for some microservices? First point, complex data relationships. Some applications need strong relationships. For example, customer has many orders. Orders contains many products. Relational databases handle this easily. Second point, complex queries. If your application needs advanced queries like joining multiple tables, complex reporting, and financial calculations, then RDS is usually the better choice. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine an online shopping system using DynamoDB. Order service stores data in a simple table. Fast access to order information. Designed for large scale traffic. Using RDS. Order table is linked to customers table. Product table is connected to order items. And complex queries are possible. When to choose DynamoDB? Choose DynamoDB when you expect very high traffic, you need fast responses. Each microservice handles simple data. Choose RDS when you need strong relationship between data. You need complex queries. Your data fits structured models. So in one line, DynamoDB is best for highly scalable microservices, while RDS is better for structured data and complex relationships. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.